Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to crochet super easy border for beginners. So as you can see here, I've made with half double crochet and on top I've made a design. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain 22, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. Then going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, bring we put a finger, half double crochet we'll make, then in each stitch half double crochet, then chain 1 from here, as you can see, then into from right here, then 1, 2, 3, then going to come 1, 2, 3 over here, third one to make chain that way. As you can see, this is how we make to create a space. 1, 2, 3, then 1 2 3 the third one to make single chain, then 1 2 3, 1 2 3 in the third one, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 in the third one, 1 2 3, come over here, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, there, 1 2 3, right over here, okay. Chain 1. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. Then what we're going to do is chain 1 again, then we're going to come right here in this space, three half double crochet, 1 2, 3 half double crochet, as you can see, that's going to look like. Then we to come here in this space here, a slip knot by making single chain. Then again we'll come right here in the second space, three half double crochet, chain 2, and 3 half double crochet, then go right here, second chain, yarn over, go in the second space, 3 half double crochet, chain 2, 3 half double crochet, chain 2, okay, come right here on the space. As you can see, this is how it's going to look like. So as we made chain of 22, then chain of 3, then in the 22nd chain we made a half double crochet, and each chain on each of the chain a half double crochet. Then we came over here, chain 1, turn around, then chain again 1, then we made a chain of 3, count 1 2 3 on the third loop here. We made chain of 1, then chain 3, chain of 1, chain 3, chain of 1, then again we came last here, we made 1 single crochet, again turn around, single crochet on top of single crochet, then half double crochet, chain 2, half double crochet, then we came right here in this space and we made a stitch of chain to attach to make this form here. Then again made half double crochet, chain of 2, half double crochet, and the same thing we attached over here with the chain of 1, and then yarn over, half double crochet, chain 2, half double crochet, attached again in this space here. Then continue the same way. So this is how it's going to look like. So you can use this border crochet pattern for your blankets, for your cushions, or for decorating even your curtains, or any project you find available or suitable. You can use this. So I hope you like this video. Till next time on next Sunday. Bye bye, see you then.